Finding the right keywords for your app is a balancing act, one that can make or break your growth in the app stores. In this lesson, we'll dive into how to weigh search volume against competition so you can choose the keywords that will drive real, measurable results. Let's start with search volume. Search volume tells you how many times a particular keyword is searched for in the app stores. The higher the volume, the more potential users you can reach. This is why high-volume keywords are often seen as the golden ticket. They promise the biggest audiences. But here's the catch. High-volume keywords also come with high competition. You're not the only one who wants to rank for those juicy search terms. Established apps with massive budgets and long histories are often already dominating those spots. That's why it's not always the best idea to go after the biggest keywords right away. Instead, you need to find the sweet spot, keywords that have enough search volume to matter, but not so much competition that you'll be buried on page 10 of the results. This is where keyword difficulty or competition score comes in. Most ASO tools provide this score to show how tough it will be to break into the top rankings for any given keyword. So, how do you find the balance? Step 1 is to start with relevant keywords. If your app is a fitness tracker, focus on terms like step counter, activity tracker, and health monitor before you go after broad terms like fitness or health. Relevance not only improves your conversion rates, but also helps you rank faster. Step 2 is to compare search volume and competition side by side. Use your ASO tools to see if a keyword has a healthy volume, but a competition score that's within your reach. These are your best opportunities for growth. Step 3 is to look for long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that might have lower search volumes, but also much lower competition. For example, instead of budget planner, try monthly budget planner for families. These long-tail keywords might have fewer searches, but they're easier to rank for and often bring in more qualified users who are ready to download. Step 4 is testing and iteration. ASO is never static. Start by targeting a mix of low-competition long-tail keywords and a few higher-volume ones. Track your rankings, see what's working, and double down on the keywords that deliver results. In 2025, this balance is more important than ever. The App Store's algorithms are smarter and more user-focused. They prioritize apps that deliver real value to searchers, not just the ones with the highest bid or biggest brand. That's why your keyword strategy needs to be dynamic. You're not just chasing volume, you're chasing relevance, quality, and engagement. Throughout this course, we'll show you how to refine your keyword lists, analyze your data, and build a strategy that adapts to changing algorithms and user behavior. By mastering the balance between search volume and competition, you're not just playing the keyword game, you're winning it. Let's move forward and make your app the first thing users see when they're searching for exactly what you offer.